Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix BT email login problems. So without any further ado, let's get started. There might be several reasons for your login problem. First of all, check your internet connection if stable or not. If internet isn't your problem, then check your email and password. And if you find that your email or your password is incorrect and you have trouble remembering it, then you can click on Forgotten Your Login Details link and reset them. But if it still doesn't help, then try refreshing cookies and cache from the web browser that you're using currently. Click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner and go to Settings option. Here, click on Privacy and Security. Then go to Clear Browsing Data option. Here you can see that all the options have been selected by default, and you can make the changes by only selecting the options that you wanna clear. Here I'm gonna uncheck Browsing History option. And if you click on Last Hour option, you can select the amount of time from which you wanna delete the data. Here I'm gonna select 24 hours. Now simply click on Clear Data button on the bottom right corner. And if you're sure, click on Clear option. Once you clear it, try again and log in. And that is how you can fix BT email login problems. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.